In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start a new report and how to set up some basic properties. To start, you will need to have your PerfectForms account open and on the main Reports dashboard. New reports are created with a couple of clicks. Enter a suitable name, which is most likely going to be related to the form that it's linked to. And click the Apply Changes button to save that name. Click the Design button to open the Report Designer. Initially, a Help Center dialog box will open. From here, you can navigate into the online help guide and tutorial videos. To turn off the Help Center, click the Show at Startup checkbox. There are 4 panels in the Report Designer. The left panel is the navigation panel. From here, you can navigate through your report by selecting the individual pages and objects on those pages. The top panel is the Toolbox, which contains the objects you will use to build your report. The central panel is the Drawing area, or Drawing Canvas. This is where your report is built. We will cover report building in other tutorial videos. And the right-hand panel is where you will find the properties of the report, pages and individual objects. In most panels, you can minimize and maximize a section by clicking on the single arrowheads or the section title. You can also minimize or maximize the whole panel by clicking on the double arrowheads at the top. Or you can modify the panel width by using the double line grab handles that you can find in the center of the panel edges. Initially, you will see the report properties. We will take a look at some of the basic properties which you are likely to want to set before you get started on the report layout. The size of the report can be changed by simply entering the pixel dimensions in the boxes provided. Or you can select one of the predefined sizes from the drop-down. The data source will be covered in a separate tutorial video, so we'll skip that for now. You can specify the background color of the web browser by selecting a color from the palette, or you can enter a specific hexadecimal color code directly into the color field. The drop shadow is displayed by default and is on the right and bottom sides of the report, but it can also be deselected if required. You can choose to show a frame around the report, and, if selected, you can specify the frame size and colour and if it is rounded corners or not. In just a few minutes, you've seen how to start a new report and set up basic properties. You should now be ready to link a form or forms to your report. This is covered in another tutorial video.